I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to log back into your Threads account. So in another video, I showed you how to log out. You could check that out on the channel if you haven't seen it already. But in this video, we're going to log back in. Open up Threads, and in this particular instance, I have a secondary account. We're going to click on our profile icon here. Then we are going to click the two lines on the top right-hand corner. Then we're going to scroll down, and we're going to click Switch Profiles. Then we'll click Add Profile. And here you'll have the profile that you logged out of previously. In this case, it's the Outraging account for me. So I'll click on that. And once you click on that, because you are already logged into one of your other accounts, this is going to log in for you automatically, especially if you have saved your login info. You may be required to type in your login info and then click continue and it will log you in. But in most cases, if you had already logged out and logged back in, it should just put you right into your account and then you're all set. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video so other people can find it as well, and subscribe to stay tuned for much more just like this.